Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to advertise on Zoopla. Now guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to zoopla.co.uk and you'll be greeted by a screen looking like this. Now guys, when you did that, you just need to go and log into your Zoopla profile. But guys, if you do not have an account, you can always go and register to Zoopla. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Zoopla videos where you can also see how you can do that. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, we have the Zoopla official website where we have some houses for sale, to rent, we have new homes, house prices, we have agent validation, instant validation, and here guys we have define homes to buy or rent and check house prices where you can also see for sale, to rent, and house prices. And you have the search box where guys you can go and find at our location and find a house in that location. Here you can also see new build homes, and in the top right corners guys we can see my home, we can see some homes that you saved, and we have the account tab where you can see your account, saved listings, saved searches, you can see track properties, you can see my home, settings, subscriptions, and of course guys at the end of course we have the sign out button. Now guys, let's see how you can actually go and advertise on Zoopla. Well, the actual cost of advertising on sites like Zoopla is between $50 or $60 per month, where you can go and do it for advertisement. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining. If you did guys, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.